don't know where I'm at, but my soul needs a map on. Lately I don't know what they mean. I've been having trouble with my knees. You pull my soul out my veins. It won't apologize. Gas into this boredom, putting fuel into a starship. Purple heads like that, I'll still eat that at Tony Stark then. Put away the camera on, I like the point of view. And you're not chasing life, so what's the point of you? I said like a budgie, with obsessed, with them cure. I don't miss you, you don't know me, yeah. Got the money, yeah, they won't let me, yeah. Get there, this young stuff, I'm attached, wasn't ready for this round. Slept for 20 years, kept the pillow on a cloud. Road check, I'm not ready, I don't trip for fun. It's time for a dream, I dripped a million guns. Box of Tiva, Great Barrier Reefer, don't know my settings, I go far. Off a cliff, I'll get a road runner ending. Moving mad, must be something I'm not hearing. My soul left and came back with a message. Lately I don't know what they mean. I've been having trouble with my knees. You pull my soul out my veins. Yeah.
Okay, we got the Surron in the house. I'm gonna try and change the forks. I've never done anything like that before. I'll usually pay someone because I'm lazy. So now we're gonna do that. We got a new lid for the battery too. Let me brighten this up. There we go. Lid for the battery. The beautiful forks. All my tools. New headset, or bearing I should say. Grease. And I got my supervisor on standby. So let's see if we can get this thing done. Alright, first things first, we gotta get off the front brake caliper and use a 5 for that. Hopefully it doesn't focus there, but since we're changing the fork, I don't know if we can see it, but I'm gonna cut zip tie here. Okay, basically what I did is I loosened up these bolts on both sides, and I'm taking Allen and I'm just spinning the axle bolt. I think that's what it's called. Now, and this should come off. It's not a problem. Boom. Wheel off. Alright, so I'm doing a voiceover on this part because I have the baby shusher going on in the background, and all you'd hear is a loud shh if I kept it. So I'm just going to fast forward through this part. It is nothing crazy at all. Just cutting off the 4 zip ties for the ODI front number plate, and then after this, I got to take off the handlebars. So there is just 4 direct stem mount bolts that are on there. I don't remember the size. I think it's a 6 Allen. So you just take those 4 off, and that pops right off. Then there is 2 sets of these Allen bolts on the fork here, both top and bottom, so you just take both of those off. I think those are 5s as well. They're on there pretty tight. And then after that, the forks just slide right out. The forks just slide out, super simple, nothing too crazy. And now we'll go back to in real time audio. Okay, next we gotta take this whole little get up off. So first you take off that little nipple thing, put it somewhere I won't forget it. And then we're just gonna unscrew the bolt that's on there. It's a 5, so I've got a 5 Allen, and I'm just gonna unscrew. Okay, now that's gone. I'm just gonna take off all those and keep them all. But it is what it is. All right, now we're gonna take off that.
Did you have this the whole time, or did you buy this recently?
I bought it not too long ago, but
I think it's better than the one you had, right?
oh yeah, oh yeah, that one's booty cheeks. I'm filming a video because every other.
Okay.
Well, it worked.
Not very
It's off. So let's go install the new thing, I guess. Okay, let's get this. Okay, so we took off the other fork components, and we pulled both bearings out. And I'm just gonna clean the inside so that when we re-grease it, it's all new grease and everything works. So. Okay, so I ordered a new set of bearings from Amazon. I will put the link of what I ordered and just a picture. I think it was $50 for basically a whole set for a new bearing to put on top here and on the bottom as well. And basically just kind of put everything together. Obviously we'll put it on as we'll film it as we're putting it on, but you gotta assemble those. And then it comes with these. What are those little silver caps that we don't need? It comes with these caps, but we don't need them for the Surron because we just press the bearing butt naked into there. So now we're going to do that and put the bearing in the bottom one first. So there is a little spacer.
Put a little bit of grease
on there?
Yeah, like this on this. I'm guessing that's a little greased up here.
Okay, let's get the grease. Got a little booty grease, and we're just gonna rub it on around. So that's good. And for grease, I just went to Home Depot and I got NGLI2. That's what I read online. And this one says for recreational vehicles too. So
this is what they're probably talking about pressing in.
Oh.
Yeah, so because it snaps in, you might need to hammer it with something because that's what this one is.
Okay, so we don't have the proper tools to do this, but we watched the Lunicycle video, and now we're just going to try to copy them. Basically, we're lubing up the stem fork, I think that's what it's called, and then we're going to put on the spacer and the bearing at the same time, and we're just going to slowly tap it in with a hammer and a socket so that it's even and it goes in, and we'll see if that works. Okay, we got it on.
Yeah, I'm gonna need you to probably hold it.
Yeah, I got it.
And
We're gonna try and hit it in with a hammer.
you have to tell me if it's going or not going.
It looks like it's gone. Yeah, it's going. That looks like it's seated.
True.
So we got it in,
Amateurs, bro.
but we forgot to back in the grease on the inside of the bearing because we were so busy figuring out how to get this in without the right tools. So now we're gonna struggle and make a mess until we grease up this Johnny. And by Johnny, I don't mean my brother. So we're gonna grease it up. I'm gonna skip this part because it's just gonna be messy, and you should be smart and not do it like we're doing it.
Yeah, grease up.
Okay, so we got the bearing, for the most part, as greased as we can from the outside. Now we are going to, we should probably figure out the top part first too, right? So that we can just slide it into there.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna figure out the top headset. Getting it mounted properly on here so that we can slide them up and finish it. Also, Philip, the forks are backwards right now, so don't install them that way.
I will not.
We're gonna grease the inside there, and then we're gonna also grease this top portion, focus, so that it all slides in super smooth. So we're about to put on the fork, but first we're gonna get this assembly thing on. So it goes bearing, then the little metal, what did he call it?
Just a race.
Metal brace, and then a little plastic spacer-ish thing. You slide the fork through there, and then you put on the other, I think it's the crown or fork. No, it's the fork install. Then you put on that. So we are going to do that right now. Hopefully the camera catches it all. So we slid it on, and all we did so far was tighten that bolt right there. Nope. That one right there. Now we're going to basically just finish screwing everything on and make sure that it's good. Okay, so we got the fork on, we got the extra spacer that we needed, and we already put it on. So now there is no play in the forks, which is good. And we found another issue with my front brake. Basically the spacer that I have is like just a hair too big. Hold on, let me focus. Focus. The spacer I have on the caliper is just a little too big. That's why there's that line there, and it's grinding. Well, basically it's grinding unevenly. And I was wondering why my front brakes have been squealing, and now I know why. So we're just gonna clean up the rotor for now. I'm gonna keep it how it is, and I'm just gonna probably order some new front brakes and rear brakes because this one is dog water and it's not working. But maybe I did something wrong there too. So now we're just gonna assemble everything back, put on the wheel. They gave me a new shaft on the front, so we'll use that. And then we're gonna move on to the next project.